Yeah, hi guys. Just want to show you how I film with, well, how I'm going to start filming with my practice hand. So I finally got it set up, and let me just zoom it out as much as I can. I'm gonna take it off. So this is my little setup for now. So let me explain what I got going on. So this is a 3 kilogram stone. It's there for weight because if that wasn't there, that will just plonk right over. Same thing for that stand. Once I put my phone like that, the weight from the phone kind of moves it. So I just, yeah, have it there too. Alright, so let's just take these away so I can explain what's going on. So first of all, I got this thing here, which is part of a tripod. And since I film on the table and stuff, I found one of these. They're called gooseneck things. So on this side, they're like $10 on eBay or Amazon. You put your phone, clip your phone in like that. And on the other side, clip it to a desk. But this is stupid because no desks are ever that thin enough to clip it onto. So you have to improvise. You can either use a heavy book, clip it onto a book, which I've tried, but I just do this. And this is what I film most my craft videos on. I just clip it onto that, and then that goes on my table like so, and then other way, like that, and then I clip that in. And once there's weight, it starts going forward like that, yeah, from the phone. So that's when you have to find something with weight to stop it from going forward. So I usually put that along here to catch on to those things here. So I turn it over like that, and if that makes sense, and so it catches on to those things there, so it's gonna stop it from tipping over. Well, or I can do it that way and then get the other one and do it that way. Whoops. So see what I mean? I'm holding the legs down so it doesn't move. So then, see how the legs are held down? So then when there's a little bit of weight there, say my phone is there, so it's not going to tip. Let's just find something to resemble my phone. Okay. So, okay, we'll clip my glasses. Sorry, I'm going to have to put the phone down to clip the glasses on. Maybe the remote control. It's a bit heavier. Okay. So, there you go. So I guarantee you, if that wasn't on, watch what happens when I take these away. Watch. Oh, the remote's probably lighter, that's why. But anyway, the phone's heavier, so it's going to tip forward. So that's how I counteract for the tipping. So now I'll show you how I'm just figured out how to do my hand. So this hand I bought from Amazon. Let me just take it off. I paid like 56 Australian dollars, which is probably like what, 35 US, and it came like this. I'll show you guys, hold on. Anyway, so it came with a hand and it came with this in there. So I just took it off. So let me show you the hand first up. Look, it's pretty not bad for $56 Australian. I can't complain, but it's not good because the nail beds are not realistic. Like, have a look at mine and then have a look at theirs. Their nail beds are too narrow and too long. They're not realistic. So yeah, and it's very flimsy when you're filing away, like it's very flimsy. So you want something that's more sturdy, that doesn't go flimsy so easily, and with more realistic nail beds, you know. So that's why I'm very pleased to announce I've ordered the full practice hand of the left-handed posable Lucy from Red Iguana. So can't wait for that to come. And yeah, so anyway, this thingamajig, I just found it out in the dump somewhere, but there's absolutely no, what do you call it with this, weight to it. Yeah, so let's see if that comes out. Hold on, guys. Oh, it does. Oh, it's got a little screw thing. So, see what I'm doing? It's got a little screw thing here. And it comes out. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Wow. Here we go. So, the ball comes out. That is so cool. Hold on. So, if I wanted to, I could use the one I got from the hand, and I could just put the hand in there and then put the screw in. Oh my gosh. And get the screw out, put the screws in here. Yeah, hold on. Hang on, so I'm gonna put the screw in. Like that. Ooh! So I don't need to buy one of these when I get my practice, and I can just use this. Oh wow, that's awesome. Oh wow. I just discovered this with you guys. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. Yeah. I've also seen some people put their practice hands in like a masking tape thing. But yeah, I've got this and it doesn't tip forward. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so if I wanted to film, now let's see. So I've got this directly on top, which is where I'm going to film, and my remote is pretending to be the thing. So yeah, I won't need all these weights hopefully. Let me just put them over here for now. Oh, see Daisy, isn't that a gorgeous sandstone? Okay, so let's put that over here. Sorry, come on mummy, you have to... Oops, that ain't like her. And then little cat. Alright, so I'm practicing here, and then that goes there. Oh wow. But then again, if I want it higher, I could resort back to putting that in there to get the height. But when you're doing your client's hands, I mean, they're about there anyway. So yeah, that's perfect. Awesome. So yeah, let me put my camera on here. Sugar. So it's clipping fine, but yeah, it's clipping fine, it's just the weight. Let's see, so I'm just gonna clip it on. And yeah, it's leaning forward, but I'm just gonna put that on it to stop it over here. And yep, that's enough to stop it. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna push the wires back a bit so I can be right over the top and maneuver it to where I want it. Wow, here we go. And zoom in, push it back a bit more. Well, I suppose I want it more towards me, so maybe I should have it extended more, yeah. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so just wondering how you guys do your filmings. And this is with, it can be with anything really, not just your hands. Any craft filming or whatever YouTube channel you do, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I can't wait till I get my red iguana hand, and when I do, I will do some filming and see how it goes. The only thing is, where this camera is, it's right in my face, so I'm not real happy with that. I want to be able to have my head right over. Maybe I can just sit to the right a bit. Yeah, that's what I can do. Just sit to the right a bit. That way it's not right in my face. Yeah. But I definitely want to be zoomed in, not too much, but enough. There's nothing worse when you see people doing nails and they're so far away, you wish they were closer so you can see the detail they're doing on each finger. Yeah, as opposed to having all the 4 fingers showing at once and not being able to see the detail as well. I'd rather it be zoomed right in for that one particular finger that they're working on. What do you reckon? Yeah. Okay, guys. All right, thank you. Bye.